Hello everyone, Welsh21 here and welcome to another quick video. In today's video we're going to look at Google Chrome here and how to enable dark mode for basically every website on there. I've done previous videos before on how to enable dark mode, like such as here on YouTube. You can search my channel for them as well as some mobile ones, but you can actually set Google Chrome to enable dark mode everywhere, and it's quite simple. All you got to do is go to the top here, the search bar, and then we start typing in Chrome, and there we go, Chrome // flags. So there we are, we're in flags here, but there is lots of different flags on here. So what we want to do is we want to go flags again, do /, and then we do hashtag enable -force -dark. I will copy and paste this down in the description down below. That's the URL you want, and as you can see here, highlighted in yellow is auto dark mode for web content, and it's got a hashtag enable /. That's what we just searched for, and this automatically render all web content using the dark theme for Mac, Windows, Linux, Chrome OS, Android, Fuchsia, and Lacrosse. I do apologize if I pronounced those wrong, but I most likely did. On the right here, we got set to default. What you want to do is you want to click that and hit enabled. You got some different options here. You can do this all if you want to at your leisure, but you just hit enabled. Now at the bottom now it says your changes will take effect once you relaunch Chrome. So just relaunch Chrome. And there we are. We are now enabled dark mode, and if I go over to here, my channel is automatically enabled on dark mode. So that is how you do it. That's how you enable dark mode on Google Chrome for basically every website. I say every website, I haven't tested every website obviously, but this is dark mode throughout the pages. And to disable it, then again, you just do the same thing, go to flags and change enable to default, or you can do disabled, relaunch it, and there you go. So it is as simple as that. If this video is helpful to you, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and let me know if there's any other video ideas, and I'll catch you all in the next one. Oh, and one last thing, thank you all to our channel supporters. Their names will be at the top right of the page. Ciao for now, everyone.